So now we learn how to find moment of inertia of a semicircular lamina. So once we know that moment of inertia of circular lamina, circular, remember circular lamina about AB is pi d4 by 64. So about semicircle, it will be, so not about 4 semicircle, it will be pi d4 by 120, pi d14 128, that is about IAB. Remember, this is about IAB, that is about this AB. Now if we are interested in finding about IXX, so we'll use parallel axis theorem, that is IAB is equal to IXX plus AY bar square. So now we know the area of this IXX, we know here IAB, we know the area, we know the Y bar square, because Y bar is the distance of AB from centroidal axis. So we have learnt earlier how to find the, how far is the centroid from the diameter AB, that is 4r by 35. So what we'll do, we'll put the values, but here it is 4r by 35. So what we'll do, we'll use r is equal to d by 2. So 4r by 3 pi will become, this is y bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi will become 2d by 3 pi. So on putting the values, that is area of the lamina is pi r square by 2, area pi r square by 2 or pi d square by 8. So once you put all the values, IXX will come out to be 0.10976 R4. You have to put the value of IAB, area and Y bar square. So this comes out to be, remember, this comes out to be this, and IY will be same, that is pi d4 by 128. So that this is how you find the moment of inertia for a semicircular lamina about the centroidal axis. Otherwise, if you have to find about AB, that will be half of value of circle, and if you are interested in finding about the quadrant, then it will be 1/4 of the circle, and similarly, if you want to find, okay, suppose you want to find about for a quadrant. So this is our quadrant, and if you are interested in finding about XX, so about XX it will be half of whatever is there for semicircle, that is half of 0.10976 R4. Okay, so these are the different cases. Only one case is left, that is for triangle, moment of inertia of a triangle, that we'll learn in next video.